Welcome to King Bags Restoration, the Leather Spa. Today we bring you 3 beautiful luxury bags brought back to their finest condition. First, to classic Louis Vuitton pieces, the LV Auburn and the LV No. Both had worn, darkened, and brittle vachetta leather that lost its original glow. The Prada shoulder bag had faded color, scuffed edges, and dried leather that took away its charm. Here is the stunning result. We fully replaced all vachetta leather on both LV bags, giving them a fresh, natural, and durable finish, plus deep cleaning and hardware polishing. For the Prada, we expertly recolored and restored the leather, bringing back its rich blue tone and smooth texture. Thank you to our valued customer for trusting us. If your luxury bags need restoration, repair, or recoloring, King Bags offers affordable, high-quality work using premium materials and fast service. Bring your bags back to life today.